Hello, friends. Welcome to today's event. And I'm really excited to have the class that helps people make decisions around their life, because we all make bad decisions or decisions that have unfortunate consequences in our life. I know I made many of those. And just to introduce ourselves, I'm Christine, Dr. Christine Sauer, or Doc Christine, you might know me as. And I also founded the Sparkle Sisters together with my wonderful sparkly sister by choice, Maxine. So let's start with giving the old people, no, there's no old people here, that would be me.
Wait a minute, what?
As you notice, Maxine and I have a lot of fun. So those events that we are starting will be fun for everybody that's looking at, and inspirational, and will teach you important life skills that we learned in our combined over 100 years of life. I think I can say that safely without offending you. I know I'm 61, so you can
Right.
guess Maxine's
Okay, I'm 75. So there you are.
All righty. So, you know, if you don't know, I am Dr. Christine Sauer. I'm a medical doctor and a naturopath from Germany. I'm also trained as a certified brain and mental health coach, a licensed neuroencoding specialist, and a certified havening practitioner. And I'm a caring, loving human being and a mental health thriver. Not patient, I was. Not survivor, I'm thriving. And that's my passion and my purpose in life, to help others with their personal growth to also thrive in life. And we call it to sparkle. And I'm so blessed that my very good friend and sister by choice, not by blood, Maxine, is in my life. Maxine, why don't you introduce yourself?
Sure. Okay. So, I'm Maxine Silva. I am an author, a painter, a poet, a nonprofit development consultant, certified hypnosis counselor, a mother, a grandmother, and a good friend to many, but particularly to my sister of choice, Christine. I was born in the UK, grew up in Canada, lived many, many years in the United States, and then went to Bali, Indonesia for 3 years, India for 6, and then back home to Nova Scotia, where I am currently living, and in cahoots with my friend, Christine, to share our life experiences and some of our expertise. There's a little bit along the way with others, hopefully to serve them and make their lives better as well through our communications, which is, we've done a lot of different things together, right, Christine?
You know, I always say when two people sparkle together, we have a firework.
Yeah, true.
And it is wonderful. And the more people sparkle together, the better it is. And we have a few wonderful sparkles on the call. Let's just say hello.